visit Georgia. Georgia, a land of rock and stone, medieval fortresses and monasteries, green hills, majestic mountains, deep caves and rocky beaches. When to visit Tbilisi? Spring is the best time of year to explore Tbilisi, thanks to comfortable temperatures of 19 degrees Celsius on average between March and May. Mrs. Salome Zurabishvili is the first woman to be elected as Georgia's president. Please listen to her on Georgia tourism.
We are here at the highest point of the Georgian Riviera of the Black Sea. Behind me, the most modern city of Batumi and the Riviera. I think that it's one of the unique places where culture meets beauty. We have archaeological sites very close to here, and we're all expecting you with Georgian hospitality. Spend your summer in Georgia.
How to get to Tbilisi? Just like all the roads in Europe lead to Rome, all the roads in Georgia lead to Tbilisi. You can easily get there by plane. The main airport of Georgia is located in the city. Taxi in Georgia. Cheapest, safest and most convenient. Fares. Taxis from airport will cost around 30 lari and each ride from 5 to 10 lari. Marshrutka or mini bus of Georgia. Marshrutka is a minivan used to transport passengers and goods short and long distances. They run on fixed routes, but stop at random locations rather than designated stations. Buses in Georgia. Cheapest, safest and convenient. Buses fare. 40 tetri per person, one of the cheapest way to go around the city. Trains in Georgia. There are underground and surface rail services in Georgia. Cable cars. The rope car between Old Town and Fort Narikala. Cable cars fare. One-way ride cost 1 lari. If you're wondering what to see in Georgia and where to go in this beautiful country in the Caucasus, look no further. Tbilisi, the amazing capital. Tbilisi is the capital city and one of the best cities in Georgia to visit. Tbilisi lies on the banks of the Mitwari, also known as the Kura, river and is surrounded by hills and mountains. One of the best ways to appreciate this unique place is to wander its streets, especially in the colorful old town. Make sure you walk or take the cable car to the Narikala fortress where you can enjoy the stunning panorama over the city. Top attractions in Tbilisi.
Mirándote me sueño tu boquita. Ay mami que tú eres tan bonita. Te doy mi corazón, mi sentimiento. Te juro vida mía que no miento. Por eso yo te quiero tanto. Te lo digo mi amor. Sabes tú por qué. Y mi corazón. Sabes tú por qué. Te amo mi amor. Sabes tú por qué. Porque mi corazón. Sabes tú por qué. Por ti, solo tú sabes hacerme feliz. Has invadido mis sentimientos, un delirio de amor. Y ahora dime qué vas a decir, y ahora dime qué vas a sentir. No rechaces mis sentimientos.
Да, не спеши.
Mitkheta is the religious capital, the spiritual heart and therefore the most important city of Georgia. It used to be the capital city before King Gorgasali changed his base to Tbilisi. It's also one of the oldest cities in Georgia, where 4,000-year-old traces of human settlements were found. How to get to Mitkheta? Mitkheta is 30 minutes away from Tbilisi. Katski Pillar, a 40-meter high limestone monolith that is also known as the Pillar of Life. How to get to the Katski Pillar? From Tbilisi to the Katski Pillar, take a Marshrutka from Didube station to Chachara.
me sueño tu boquita. Ay, mami, que tú eres tan bonita. Te doy mi corazón, mi sentimiento. Te juro, vida mía, que no miento.
Georgian dance is the traditional dance of Georgia. It has its roots in the military moves, sports games, and dances celebrated during holidays in the Middle Ages. Georgian dance was popularized by Iliko Sukishvili and his wife, Nino Ramishvili, founders of the Georgian National Ballet. Two folk dances, Parpuli and Khorumi, are inscribed on the intangible cultural heritage of Georgia list. Music of Georgia. Georgia has rich and still vibrant traditional music, which is primarily known as arguably the earliest polyphonic tradition of the Christian world. The folk music of Georgia consists of at least 15 regional styles. One of the oldest wine regions in the world, and winemaking is deeply ingrained in the culture of the country. The oldest archaeological remains related to grape seeds and winemaking dating back 8,000 years have been found in Georgia, while today the country has over 500 varieties of grape. Approximately 40 different grape varieties are used for wine manufacturing in Georgia. Georgian food is arguably one of the world's most underrated cuisines, featuring flavors from Greece and the Mediterranean, as well as influences from Turkey and Persia. List of traditional Georgian dishes as well as tips on what to eat and drink when you visit.
Mirándote me sueño tu boquita. Ay, mami, que tú eres tan bonita.
ერთი ნახვით შემიყვარდი ყროყინად გოხტამარო აბა მითხარო შენობით როგორ უნდა გავიხარო იტაგლიდა ლალო და ჯან გაგომე და შენ გუგლი დაგლიდა ლალო და შენ მიყვარხარ ჩემო მზეო